Dear student. Today I am going to teach you about shift of PPC. In the previous class, I have taught you what is PPC and it's a schedule, it's a graph. Now, in now today, I am going to teach you how the PPC shift to the rightward and leftward and another shift. Now, if you see in the screen, there are two types of graph shown in the screen. The first one is the rightward shift of the PPC. There are two PPC shown in the graph. That is, one is dotted and another is a line. Now, why the PPC shift to the right? There are two reasons for the rightward shift of the PPC. These are number first, growth of the resources. Number second, use of the improved technique by a producer. Now let us understand with the help of Khetilal's example. Now in the first case, the Khetilal was able to produce OX1 and OY1 of the Y commodity and X commodity respectively. But if Khetilal uses advanced technique and his resources are increased, then Khetilal will be able to produce more of the X units, more of the X commodity and more of the Y commodity. So as a result, PPC shift to the rightward, that is OX2 and OY2. It means the commodity X, the production of commodity X increases from OX1 to OX2 and production of Y commodity also increases from OY1 to OY2. Now it's clearly mentioned that two reasons for it. These two reasons for rightward shift are number first, growth of the resources, and second, use of the advanced technique. Now in the second graph, you you are seeing that the PPC is shifting to the leftward. Again, there are two reasons for it. If resources are destroyed, yeah, there are resources are decreased, and the producer uses traditional or old technique of production, then PPC will shift to the leftward, leftward to the PPC, just like a OX1 OY1 to OX2 OY2. Now same reason. Now Khetilal, if the Khetilal sold it's a small piece of land to others, it means the land available for the uh, Khetilal is becomes less and the production of the both the commodity reduced. Similarly, if Khetilal uses traditional or older technique, due to older technique, the production capability of the both commodity X and Y may decrease. These are the two reasons for the leftward shift of PPC. Again, now there are two more cases. You will see case number third and case number 4. In case 3, you will see that the production of commodity Y is constant, but the production of X is changing, increasing or decreasing. Now, what are the reasons for this type of changes? Now, I will ask a question to you. Uh, Khetilal's land is increasing or decreasing? Correct. Neither increasing nor decreasing. How can you say that? If Khetilal might have increased or decreased its piece of land, then production of both the commodity X and Y might have increased or might have decreased. But the graph shows that, graph number 3 shows that production of Y commodity remains constant and only production of X is increasing and decreasing. Now second question I am going to ask you is, technique of production of Y commodity changed? Yes, your answer is correct. No. The technique used by Khetilal to produce Y commodity is also unchanged. If it might have changed, then production of Y commodity might also have been affected. So what happened in the case number 3? Only case number 3, X is the production of X is affected by change in technique, change in technique in X commodity only. Now we can say कि Khetilal might have changed the production of X commodities technique. If Khetilal uses advanced technique, it will shift to the rightward, and the older technique, then it moves to the left hand side, that is OX2. Now what can you concluded in the graph 3rd? In graph 3rd, we clearly conclude that resources are neither increase nor decrease, remain same for X and Y commodity, and the technique of production for Y commodity is also constant, does not change, but only change that took place in the production of technique of X commodity. Due to that result, the PPC shifted, only X production have been increased or decreased. Now if you see the opposite of, if you see the graph number 4, you will just found opposite of the case number 3rd. Here production of X is constant and the production of Y have been changed. Now same reason, are resources increased or decreased? No, resources are neither increased nor decreased. Then what are the causes for the change in the production of Y commodity? Why the X commodity remains constant? As I have told you earlier in the case number 3, in this case we can clearly say that the technique used in production of X commodity is constant, but Y commodity, only production of Y commodities technique has been changed. That's why it is changing, and all other factors are constant. So dear student, today we have discussed about the shift of PPC. Now in the next class I will teach you about shape of the PPC. Thank you and have a nice day.